probably time to start making some progress. So I emptied out the inside of all the boxes and stuff. Need to install the wire harness. Start replacing the brake lines. They're good up to right where they start to exit the cabin. The fuel lines are okay. The carpet's just a little dirty. But there's no electronics in the doors, so I can install the door panels. Can't install the back panels yet because down there, or where everything's covered up, so I can't install the little interior sill panels. Once I put the wire harness in, I can put the dashboard in. And I started inspecting to see what I need to fix in here. There's a little crack or two where the paint is peeling, so I'll fix that. It's just a regular satin black in here. I prefer that. It stays clean. But yeah, it's pretty tidy. Just needs a little fixing. Need to also got the sanding equipment so I can finish cleaning where it peeled and lifted. It reacted with the undercoating, so whatever this lining is did not work with the original stuff. So thankfully it's not a ton of this where it lifted, but some of it did. But yeah, after that it's time for assembly. I have a bit of cleaning and degreasing and painting for the chassis and that little cross member. Nothing crazy, but no rust through or anything, just surface rust. Excuse the kind of cleaning too. The dashboard needs a wipe down, then I can start bolting it in. But yeah, today I just went through, checked out the paint. Been a few years since I've had it resprayed. And need to clean the garage a bit. Need to find this little piece of chrome. Don't know where that is. Hopefully I have it. If not, I'll have to go on eBay or find someone with a reasonable piece that I can fix. But yeah. No, it's not, it's not perfect, but it's certainly good. I just need to get on those brake lines, wire harness, and then the peely paint, which is frustrating, but I'm very glad that wasn't rust. So that would have been a bummer. Cool. Step 1, find the wire harness.